How to share Spotify reps on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, as you guys probably know, Spotify Rep 2023 has just dropped literally a couple of hours ago, I think. In order to actually share this to your Instagram story, you obviously need to already see Spotify Rep because some people simply cannot see it yet. That might be because your app is not up to date. So if you go to the App Store or the Play Store and you search for Spotify, you should see an update button or an open button. If it says open, it is up to date. If it says update, you obviously have to update it, so please make sure to do that first. If you still cannot see it, restart your phone. I had this problem, and I just updated and restarted my phone, and I could see the Spotify rep straight away. Now, to actually share your Spotify rep to your story, it's pretty cool. You can either click on the top right to see your reps over here, or you could simply click on here your top songs or your stories actually. So this will start playing, and you can see all of these. Now, a lot of these, as you can see, will say share this story at the bottom. So basically, I think you can share almost any story on here, but the coolest one is obviously the one at the end where you can see your top artists and top songs. And once you want to share one, you can simply click on share over here, and this will pop up. Sometimes it keeps unloading, but you just have to wait or try a couple of times. And then here, you can see Instagram stories and messages, and you simply want to click on stories. This will bring you over to Instagram. This is how it works. So now I can simply click on this, and there you go. We are now sharing it on our story, as you can see. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is how to share Spotify wrapped on Instagram story. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and the bell icon so you never miss any update from the channel. We'll catch you in the next one.